Surrounded by dusty junk, wiping with a machine.